would like to invite you sa aming Angkop Fundraising Concert. Ano ba itong Angkop?
To alleviate poverty in the Philippines, we think of starting in education.
Sa tingin ko kasi kung hindi ako ANCOP scholar, kung hindi ako YFC, maaari kasing pag-alagala lang ako sa daan. Maaaring hindi ako ganito na katinong tao, na maaaring hindi ako maayos at hindi iniisip ang pamilya.
At Angkop, it is our vision to provide educational support to those who need it most and want it most.
Yung Angkop malaking tulong sa amin. Kahit na talaga yung alam nilang may kakayanan pero hindi maituwid yung pag-aaral. Talagang malaking blessing sa amin yan.
Kung wala po yung Angkop, maninirahan po kami dun sa dati naming bahay. Magtitiis po kami na babahain kada simpleng ulan po, babahain.
As of now, we have 6,939 scholars all over the country. Those who walk the talk in our annual events all over the world. Those who selflessly give donations. Those who are generous with their volunteer work. There are still people like you. Those who can't turn a deaf ear to the cry of the poor.